my channel. So today I'll be making milk rice. So let's get started. Milk rice. You need rice and 1 cup of water. For the amount, I will link it in the description. After adding the rice and water, put the pandan leaf. Tie it like my mother did, so it don't take so much space. As you can see, my mom put the pandan leaf in the rice and the water. If you don't want the pandan leaf to take so much space, tie it like my mom did. This is a very good life hack for you. Now put the ingredients to the rice cooker. Then close it and put it there for 10 to 15 minutes. After you're done with it, you can get everything ready. Then clean the place. The next ingredient needing is coconut milk. Please get that ready, so it'll be easier for you, so you don't have to do it when you're done. Then in the coconut milk, you must add salt. Then mix it very well. Mixing is very important so it don't get very salty. After 10 minutes is done, then you're ready, so you can take it out. Now mix the rice. As I said, you must mix it very well. It's very important. So then it'll taste very nice, and you can enjoy your food. Now we're going to add the coconut milk and the salt in it, and mix it again. Mix it until you don't see the coconut milk and the salt anymore. All you must see is the rice. If you never mix the salt properly, and you can eat with the salt, but it'll be salty. Wash your hands before touching this thing, because we don't want to infect the people eating our food. Now you can't see the salt and the coconut milk anymore. When it comes like this, that means you're on the right track. Now add the other cup of coconut milk. Then mix it up again. For this video, you need to mix a lot. Please wash your hands quickly and continue with the work. If you're tired, don't rest for a very long time. If not, your food will get dried up. Now put it for 30 seconds like I did. So after 30 seconds, you can take it out. It will come like this. And tap it like my mom is doing. Tap gently, don't tap hard like my mom is doing now. Tap it very slow. And if you tap it very high, it will be a waste. And don't make it a waste, because you did all your hard work doing all your things. So all your things might run out. So please tap it slowly and don't tap it hard. Now we're gonna add the 3rd cup of milk. Take a spoon and pour the milk and spread it everywhere in the milk rice. Spread it everywhere, then the milk will taste good. Clean the area up and get the next item ready when you're done with this, so it'll be easier for you. You're going to make porridge with the left milk rice. Then take the milk rice, then add a cup of water. Then add garlic and then put it in the rice cooker. After a few minutes, take it out from the rice cooker. Then mix it a little bit, then it's done. Hope you try this at home. Remember to like, subscribe, share, bye. Comment. Sorry. Remember to stay home, stay safe, and bye.